stops at the 73 northbound. Hello, sir. How you doing today? Step out and talk to me. You got your driver's license and everything with you? Yeah. Good deal. The reason why I'm stopping you is for a left lane violation. You can't ride in that left lane.
I'm passing and going around in the left lane. And it says trucks can't get in the left lane.
You are considered, you got air brakes on this?
I do.
You can't be in that left lane.
Even though it's specifically say trucks?
Anything bigger than 6 wheels. Okay? 100% you can't be in that left lane at all, okay?
Okay.
You got 2 other lanes that you can go back and forth through.
Right.
That lane you cannot be in. Alright. Where are you guys headed?
Delaware.
Headed to Delaware from
Jacksonville.
From Jacksonville, which is like a day trip or something?
It was an overnighter.
An overnighter?
It's a team on the bus.
Oh, like a football team?
Lacrosse. Women's lacrosse.
Women's lacrosse team? I got you. Now, how many passengers do you have on the bus?
I'm going to say 29, 30 plus me.
29 or 30 plus you? Okay. Give me just a second to walk over here and tell them what's going on, okay? If you would relax right here, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Ladies, how are y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
We won't have you guys but just a few minutes, okay? He can't ride in that left lane, so next time he gets in that lane, tell him to get in the other one. Alright? I'll be right back with you. Just relax, okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
If you want to come back here, we'll talk by my car.
It's not.
Go ahead and run it. Like your warning for the left lane violation, so don't go get your commercial license, okay? Okay. We are out here on this interstate. This is what we do. We stop buses, we stop trucks, we stop anything big moving. Okay? We should be something bigger in these cities. That's what we do. Give me just a few minutes. I'm going to get the paperwork done. I'm going to have you on the way, okay? If you would, come stand right here in front of my vehicle, or you can stand at the passenger window and we'll talk, okay? Okay. If you want him to, yeah. Yeah, this is what we do, man.
What's that?
This is what we do.
Hey, I ain't mad at you.
Man, we gotta get it every day, man. I'm telling you, we gotta work. We gotta bust our behind to get out here and get things done. How long you been driving a bus?
2001. What we're talking about? 21 years?
Dang, is that much money in it? It's a living though, right?
Yeah, you know what I mean? Pays the bills.
You married?
You know?
You got any kids?
No. Kids, yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. Did that twice. I don't know if I'm gonna go that route. Yeah, I'm done with that.
I got you. So how long does it take you guys to get from there to Delaware?
Well, I'm not going all the way to Delaware because I can't make it off of my hours. So I'm actually going to Richmond, and there's another driver that's going to take it up in Richmond and take it the rest of the way.
I got you. Have you guys been stopped before?
Never.
Really? I'm surprised South Carolina doesn't stop everybody.
23029. If I had a clear understanding that I seen you when you left with the other group when you was down there. Mm-hmm. So if I had a clear understanding that it was I thought it said trucks, so I thought that was I was excluded from.
No, it's the 6 wheels.
But
over 6 wheels, or 6 wheels or over. It says for trucks, and we monitor all these big trucks. But you are a commercial vehicle, and you do meet the qualifications for that. Okay. Well, it's good. It's good to know.
See, if it wouldn't have said, if it had said all commercial vehicles or something like that, or if it just, well, I said trucks, I'm assuming that trucks with 6 wheels. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm.
Yep.
36 hours.
No, you're good.
What did you tell them?
I told the girls that you were in the left lane. I said, that's why I stopped you. I said, next time he gets in that left lane, make sure he goes to the next one. I didn't tell him nothing else.
Negative contact, 0606.
Hey, wait a minute.
Show me out the same address.
Positive? Positive on the truck?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of dang schoolgirls on the bus. It's probably some weed. Maybe. He seems a little talkative. He's been driving for 20 years to go from Jacksonville to Delaware. He brought him up here. He's not the original driver. No, they changed drivers. So there's a bunch of young females on that bus, y'all. Lacrosse team. It's a lacrosse team. What was that?
Right up to St. George and down Trace car right.
That ain't mine. You found it?
I put it back over there on the shoulder. There's between those cords right. I don't know how to turn it on, so.
What is it? Take to charge it.
It looks like it's been there for a minute. Charge call.
That's a throwaway phone. Somebody.
Burner phone.
And I'll show you the law on it. And what it does, I tell you, a lot of people drive up and down this interstate, and big vehicles, these bigger vehicles right here, that fast lane clogs up. People start passing big trucks on the right. So it's illegal to pass on the right. You do that. Okay. So people start breaking the law, passing these vehicles. We have a lot of crashes. They did a study a long time ago. That's why they made that law. Okay? Anything with 6 wheels, commercial vehicles, anything like that, you stay out that left lane. It's just something for you to know. It's all over. It's all, I mean, I'll show you that all. And we watch them pretty heavy. Yeah, we watch them pretty heavy. And we have a lot of log trucks coming down from these mills. You look, see that? That's a chemical plant. So we got a lot of big semis, all the big chemicals and all that stuff up and down this interstate. So we have a lot of crashes, a lot of fatalities. So this is what we do. Come on over here, man.
Hey man, I appreciate what you do.
Yeah.
Trying to keep the road safe. I mean,
yeah, man.
Sometimes they patrol, they don't give a damn, dude.
All right. Right on my car. What's
He knows I got one to go in my pocket.
What's the dog? The dog do anything in here?
Dog back there.
All the luggage is.
Alright, let me walk up here real quick, Tilly.
Say that again.
How do we go from being in the wrong lane to going through our bags?
Alright, well he stopped me for a traffic, well didn't stop y'all for a traffic violation, he stopped the driver for a traffic violation. Okay? While he's conducting his business, I can bring my dog out for free air. That's what I've done. Dog alert on the vehicle for odor of narcotics and missing from it. That's where we're at.
Ladies, we don't single anybody out. And I'll explain, this is our job, this is what we do. Okay, every day we get out here, we stop commercial vehicles. Okay, believe it or not, the majority of the drugs and large amounts of money, trafficking children, trafficking anything up and down these interstates, that's what we look for. Okay, and today we're not saying that you guys, that it's even happening here, but however, this is how we start an investigation. Okay. Most of the time it turns out to be nothing. But there are times where we end up finding some children that are missing from their family. We find large amounts of money that nobody knows anything about. Okay? Or large amounts of cocaine, marijuana, heroin, methamphetamines, anything like that, okay? So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to stop that. All right? I will tell you guys, the reason why I'm coming on the bus right now is to tell y'all, look, we're gonna check y'all's luggage, okay? If there is anything in y'all's luggage, we're probably gonna find it, okay? I'm not looking for a little bit of marijuana, but I'm pretty sure you guys as chaperones probably gonna be disappointed in you if we find any. You guys are on a lacrosse team, correct? So if there is something in there that is questionable, please tell me now, because if we find it, guess what? We're not going to be able to help you. Okay? You go out in the state of Georgia, marijuana is still illegal in the state of Georgia. Okay? Anything that you can put marijuana in, maybe a device where you smoke it, maybe something that you would weigh it, like a set of scales, anything. Okay? If there's nothing, then I'm thankful to make my job a lot easier. We're going to get this done, and we'll have you guys on your way. Okay? Do you guys have any more questions for me? Have I explained it pretty good? Okay. Good deal. Give us a few minutes and we'll be on. You guys will be on your way. Okay? Where'd the dog alert at? On that bag?
Yeah, well, alert to this area. 5 ants. What is that bag?
What is 5 ants?
What is it?
5 ants?
No, that's actually his reward. Him being a hammer, like I said, that's his reward for dogs.
What is 5 ants for?
I've heard of it.
That's what we're doing. He's looking for it.
Huh?
They said they ran a bunch of marijuana this weekend at the hotel.
No, they didn't. They didn't even comment on anything.
Yeah.
They did say that?
Yeah, they said there's the elevator at their hotel, somebody had been hotboxing or something.
Where you bought the bus? Where you bought this bus?
Do you have any adults on this bus?
Any adults?
Just one, or you and another one?
Yeah, it's coaches on there. That's a
That looks about. Are they college?
They're college students.
Are they college students?
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure they was all over the age. When you said students, I was like,
Oh yeah, I got it.
no.
Where's number 8? Indiana 8.
Who's Miss Aiken?
Anaya. Yes.
What is that?
I have no clue. My aunt gave it to me.
Your aunt gave it to you? You don't know what it is?
Georgia, no. I didn't open it. I was waiting until I got back to school. I can open it now.
No, what did she tell you it was?
She didn't tell me anything.
Okay, where did you get it from?
My aunt. In Georgia.
In Georgia? Okay. So you took it to Florida with you? And you don't know what it is?
I really don't know what it is.
You know, see, that seems kind of, like what's going on. We're going to open it.
Okay.
And we're going to find out exactly what it is.
Okay.
But however, this is the type of stuff that we look for.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
If
fine.
you don't know what it is, then I don't know what it is.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? I hope it's nothing that you're not supposed to have. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Give me just a minute.
Okay.
And you said in Georgia?
Yes.
Where in Georgia did she get it
Kennesaw,
to?
Georgia.
Okay. When you went to Kennesaw? Okay. Is that where you're from? Is Kennesaw
No,
State?
from Decatur.
Decatur. Okay. She just said, "Here, this is for you."
Yes.
And
I was
nothing.
going to wait to open it when I got back to school. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
It's Easter time, so
Yeah,
our
it's
parents
Easter.
brought us Easter presents.
And that may be what it is, but we're going to open it. We have to. Okay. We're not going to destroy anything.
Okay.
If it's something special, I can package it back up and not tell you.
Okay.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Doesn't matter.
Well, if it's a surprise, then I don't want to ruin the surprise for you. Let me open it real quick. If it's nothing illegal and nothing to worry about, then we'll put it back in your bag. Okay.
Okay.
You don't know. It's a surprise, she said. Somebody she didn't tell her what it was sometime in Georgia. While she was in Georgia. Go ahead.
Agency at the 78 northbound. They were supposed to transport for subject, 95 subjects to the jail, one out of Loudoun County.
Go get that. Hold up. It's a book safe. It hadn't been opened. Well, I'm not going to tell her what it was, but it's nothing illegal. I told her I'd wrap it back up, and I wouldn't tell her what it was. It was a present that her aunt gave her, but I told her we had to open it.
No, 6'9".
Huh?
They got a station.
9'6".
Yeah, right.
I'll be on at 11:30.
Nah.
Hours.
That was inside that thing right there.
We gonna pull it? Y'all want to pull any more out of that?
Nah.
Y'all feel pretty good about it?
We'll get you on your way. We want to allot all your 15 hours on the race.
Zip that
If
for
I make
me.
it out of the state, they're going to have 15 hours.
Where was that?
Right there.
I was explaining to them like what the cartel does with these bus drivers. Just go and throw a package in there. They don't even know they transport.
You didn't know they did that?
Nah, hell no.
Really?
I ain't never dealt with nobody stuff like that.
You don't know
Well, you don't know.
until you get stopped here, and then nobody wants to lay claim to a bag. And they could be honest about it. It could be nobody's bag on the bus.
We just had a bus we had stopped a minute ago. Nobody knew whose bag it was sitting behind the driver.
Yeah.
Bunch of Chinese medicine in it, but still, wasn't nothing that we regulate.
Yeah, but see, I can understand that if it's random people. But
Yeah, that's why I say now, when you go to these Greyhound stations, there's a lot more quite common.
Yeah.
You picking them up from obviously a college or a school, But when he's got his probable cause to pull you over for your left lane violation, he don't know who's in the bus.
Yeah, we're just looking for a way to find out what's going on. That's all we're doing.
I appreciate it, man.
Even the motorist state.
I ain't mad at you.
Here's your license back. You can shut these. I'm gonna let them know. All right. I'm not gonna tell you what it was, but it wasn't illegal. All right, ladies. Thank you. We're gonna get out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your trip.
Thank you.
Now you see now, you done fucked up, you know that, don't you?
President of Delaware State University, which is a historically black college, is expressing outrage after a bus of his lacrosse players was stopped and searched in Georgia. It happened at the end of last month when sheriff's deputies pulled over the bus as it traveled back home from a game in Florida. Their bus was initially stopped for an alleged traffic violation, but it then turned into a search for drugs. Members of the lacrosse team say they were being racially profiled. Police body cam video of the incident was released.
The reason I'm stopping is for a left lane violation.
This is the moment Liberty County Sheriff's deputies pulled over a bus of women's lacrosse players last month. After talking to the driver, the sheriff's deputy pokes his head into the bus.
Ladies, how are y'all doing?
When he returns to the car, he makes this remark to a fellow deputy.
There's a bunch of dang schoolgirls on the bus. There's probably some weed. Maybe.
The deputies then inform the driver they're going to search the luggage under the bus. One deputy brings out a drug-sniffing dog. They return to the bus to explain what's happening.
How do we go from being in the wrong lane to going through our bags and checking?
There are times where we end up finding some children that are missing from their family. We find large amounts of money that nobody knows anything about. Okay? Or large amounts of cocaine, marijuana, heroin, methamphetamines, anything like that, okay? If there is anything in y'all's luggage, we're probably gonna find it. Okay? I'm not looking for a little bit of marijuana, but I'm pretty sure you guys as chaperones are probably gonna be disappointed in you if we find any.
The deputies proceed to search the bags, going through the women's personal belongings. At one point, they pull out a wrapped gift.
What is that?
I have no clue. My aunt gave it to me.
Your aunt gave it to you? Mm-hmm. You don't know what it is?
Georgia, no. I didn't open it. I was waiting until I go back to school. I can open it now.
No, what did she tell you it was?
She didn't tell me anything.
Okay, where did you get it from?
My aunt. In Georgia.
In Georgia?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna open it.
Okay.
And we're gonna find out exactly what it is.
Okay.
But however, this is the type of stuff that we look for.
After around 20 minutes of searching, the deputies find no contraband.
All right, ladies, thank you. We're going to get out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your trip.
At a press conference yesterday, Sheriff William Bowman said multiple vehicles were stopped that morning and that his deputies followed the rules.
The deputy informed the passengers that the search would be completed. This is the same protocol that is expected to be used no matter the race, gender, age, or destination of the passenger.
He later said this.
No personal items on the bus or person were searched.
The president of Delaware State University, Tony Allen, says the incident has left him incensed. He said, quote, "We do not intend to let this or any other incident like it pass idly. We are prepared to go wherever the evidence leads us. We have video, we have allies. Perhaps more significantly, we have the courage of our convictions."
That's just so wrong on so many levels. And at the end, the officer says, enjoy the rest of your day, when you've just been stopped and just questioned and humiliated that way. They were all very cooperative.
They were all very cooperative because they believe that, as the coach of the team, Ms. Jenkins, said, that things could have gone wrongly.
Yes. I'm coming on the bus right now to tell y'all, look, we're gonna check y'all's luggage. Okay? If there is anything in y'all's luggage, we're probably gonna find it. Okay? I'm not looking for a little bit of marijuana.
From our standpoint, the evidence is clear and compelling. We believe the stop and search raises serious constitutional and civil rights issues. I do believe that there was some implicit bias in how those officers conducted themselves.
No, I thought that's so. You're saying that you done fucked up now. You're the dumb.